the findings have now been released, and we now know for sure that in the Group B, where BafanaBafana had been leading, are now second in that group to Benin, and that we've been docked not only 3 points, but the match to which we're found guilty of having played an ineligible player, which is Tebogo Mokoena versus Lesotho. We've now lost that match by 3-0. Also, an email gets sent to SAFA from FIFA with, all this information as to where you stand. So you got to ask yourself, within SAFA, who've said nothing about this matter, who've done nothing about this matter, you don't wait for the verdict from FIFA. The fact that we knew already that Tebogo played that match, I think there should have been an investigation from a SAFA point of view, because, simply because they like to say investigation. Did we receive the email? Because if we had not received the email, one of those things that could have said, hey guys, but we didn't receive the email notifying us. But there has not been a single thing that's been done.
Yeah,
there's not been a single thing. We got to ask, and not the bottom, not the managers, not the coach, not the players. We've got to ask the head of the federation. We've got to ask Danny Jordan to stand up now and account for his position as the head of SAFA. I think so much has been let go from a SAFA point of view. At a time when South African football is doing so well, I think Danny Jordan is the man that should have spoken up about this a long time ago. And I think even now, his silence is way too loud. President of SAFA, of the South African Football Association, Danny Jordan, now is your time to account. Whatever that accountability looks like, whether it's heads rolling, whether it's people being fired with immediate effect, whether it's you resigning, whatever it is, there must be accountability for this, the biggest mess up of South African football in the history of our football. This is even bigger than the mess in Bombela. This is bigger than the miscalculations and the dance under Peter Musimane in Bombela. Surely, BafanaBafana, Hugo Bruce, and their entire technical team and players deserve a better leadership than what we're seeing. Dr. Danny Jordan, show us that leadership now. It is your time to stand up.